yet was so. The email on Cherry, your principal industrial relations officer, Gprtu Eastern Region, Alhaji Alhassan Mansour. If you Gprtu benefit if you could follow the other branches and Abiduano. Now, a bank of one so and no more yet, while to a share in my yard. A time for face you in Penifono, a year Akuapem Rural Bank. You were Joseph Yamiche, with your bank. Olimia. That's it. If you want, Yankasa, a police penny, our hair so Mantamuha has a divisional commander. This is commander. Sorry. Superintendent Alhaji Abdul Latif Mboura. You know, your local, your branch, your division, your Akuapem, MCE. Berima Esiedu Labi, Honorable. For the municipal, Daniel Ofe, the Pato Bra. The Vice Chairman, on so Babuana Jumaya, Foster Larry. I'm not too. That's right. Church Fire Secretary, this Tete. Sikasem, you will hear Sikaso Udikai, First Trustee, Evans Boama. Obia Nantia, Chairman by Runyan Vice, the first trustee, the second trustee, Michael Kwame Ofe. A penfoy in the branch working committee, Chairman Daniel Ofe. Daniel Ofe. Daniel Ofe Ado, or Chairman, Vice Foster Larry. Secretary Tete Onotoasu. First trustee Wama Onotoasu. Second trustee Kwame Ofe. And before working from Tom to me, this supporting executive account, don't committee we are. Now some members in this executive no only Omachia. It's Omayi Ubra, a brother, Papa Labi, some random executive support. Onachi, Omayi brother, Amakom. So I'm also so very supporting executive. Onachi, Omayi brother, we don't dance so. Na the brother Isaac Kwamina. The same eternal background. It's in Mamfe, and I ever heard Mamfe, Akuapem Tipa branch as well. Yeah, you are waiting about you. Or he be you. Nay, so I were. When you're in it, and the best original of Mamfe. Yes, oh. The car I, no one can I, no one bowody. There can be a worker the magic. I solemnly pledge and swear that I shall, in my term of office, always live up to the aims and aspirations of Gprtu, and shall never, under any circumstances, divulge any official secrets of the Union, or use the influence of the Union for my own selfish or personal interest. I further swear that I will avoid temptations to corruption and nepotism. And should I break this oath of my office, I shall be prepared to pay the most extreme penalties of the Union, the Ghana TUC, and the government of the day. I swear. The best regional chairman, the best MC.
My friend, you lose some of the money for this job. Let me ask you.
What is so bad for you now? I'm on to your mind. He said, do money, I don't have my 2 months, and I want anyone. Not for every hour to you.
That is free. That I pay a year if I won't divide track of bridges. You want to, and they overcame Gprtu. You almost wear the money. Let me be a pen and say, William Chatter. Then you need chatter and show us. Oh, we are going to job over and good deal. Amen. Gprtu, you are.
The Wambra, the Amran edible economy by. In the way chairman, some of them ran on a show on some. But while I can come, and he said, we are piano why they why. The Amran to be the show on some. As I said, on quantum management to know, as somebody bringing a young man. As a movie, she and the movie you are. Very good to run. Now, so on to a day when you're reference not there. And you will be having them and many people. Okay. Fine.
Okay, the regional chairman, so
the municipal chief executive, Akuapem North, the divisional commander of police, Akuapem, the regional chairman and Gprtu of TUC in Eastern Region, branch chairman, representative, the various chapter of Gprtu of TUC, Akuapem. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to this function. I deem it's an honor of stand because before you to address the house of the famous promotion of our association, Akuapem Tipper Association of Gprtu of TUC. Today, we are very proud and happy to see our dreams yielding fruit. At first, we used to work in isolation, but today we have come together of one family and function together. As a chairman of the Tipper Drivers Association in Akuapem chapter of Gprtu of TUC, it is my hope, together with you, to release the following. One, establish welfare for the association. 2, trucks are regularly serviced and maintenance. 3, organize periodic training for the drivers for transport agencies. 4, ensure all drivers enroll on SNIT. 5, ensure car owners and drivers are on the page. All misunderstanding will become a thing of past. 6, I will ensure drivers are well paid periodically. 7, I will ensure drivers redeem accounts sales to their owners accurately. It is my hope you are supporting me to make this shared vision achievable. Thank you.
It's one of the greatest pleasures I have ever witnessed here in this district. In fact, bringing two people together is one of the issues that make policing easier. Because when people come together, it makes our work easier. One of our policies that have been brought on board by the new police administration is community engagement. And so community engagement means bringing people together and selling the ideas of modern policing and new crime trends. And so therefore, when people come together, it's always our pleasure to see them. It's a pleasure to see them that when we identify problems with usage of these vehicles, we can always know the people to engage, especially the executive. That is why we say we are very grateful to be here today. On behalf of my divisional commander, I just want to remind you of certain obligations. And when you were being sworn in, we are all whispering that the swearing in was solemn, deep, and all-encompassing. And so you were reminded when my brother was interpreting that you have sworn a very deep oath and that you need to keep to it. For us, as police and officers and law enforcement officials, ours is to ensure that you comply with the road regulations. Those of us who drive the vehicle must ensure that we have the requisite driving licenses before we can move such vehicles. Also, the materials you carry, there are regulations to it. You need to cover them in such a way that they don't drop to cause damage to other people's vehicles, and many other road safety regulations. We also know sound winning is one of the environmental degradation issues. And so all the laws, other assembly, whatever organization you're supposed to deal with, to ensure that the stakeholders are properly catered for or engaged. The communities in which you go for your materials, you must have local knowledge of the environment, respecting the people, and so on. Honorable Chief Executive is here. He's aware that several times we have feedback from Mongwasi and Adosi area regarding how tipper trucks move there and how they inconvenience the people there. And I want to take this opportunity to remind you that you must observe traffic regulations. and ensure that wherever you are, remember, the vehicles are huge and they take a lot of space of the road. And therefore, when you are driving, drive cautiously. Whatever community you go, ensure that you respect the people. Because the very environment you go, they have leaders, they have chiefs, they have assemblymen. And so when you want to do anything, ensure that you follow the procedure. And also, clients, the way we manage people we deal with, the materials we give people, let us ensure that we deliver quality, and that will keep the business going. And so I will not say so much because today is a day of joy. Chairman has already indicated that this is the day he has been looking up, and maybe at another point we shall prepare and come and give you a presentation regarding how we should operate together. And as for Gprtu and the police service, they have been friends since some of us came to join the service. Those days when we joined the service, when police had programs, they had funerals, they had whatever, most of them were being taken by Gprtu, and they have been supporting us. And one of the things that during your swearing in that was raised was unity, keeping of secrets, and so on. We have observed publicly that sometimes when there are problems of prices and whatever, we're not able to keep to this. You see that we are divided. These people go on air to say this, another group goes to this to say this. Instead of us to come together and unite and take decisions, people allow their whims to carry them. And so I want to encourage you that you get united and cater for your own welfare and see how this business can thrive. We are always available to give you all the support we think legally by our mandate we can give you. And Honorable Chief Executive, I just want to congratulate them once again and thank our executive from Kofuria for coming to bless the ceremony. Assalamu alaikum once again.
That in free year. A penny MC, a police commander, a bank for a chairman penny for her. And in Miami, no more tipper for and then Yakupaya Dom, a BSA company, a dear mamma. No question is a Miami to a Meniaji. Say tipper for Makamu Hobum and a mobile branch or Gprtu. We did say, and some of your chairman Kayano, Messi, I didn't want to know when this Emma Union ready and find Mapa infra. A cool back phone to me yet. And you penny for no, I young come home. He said, Dear baby, a bit me a day, every pay. Now, I should young conso and doing young. I did the kind back one. Many crying and then I saw me maybe to a ban any money say. And I say, it is if you pediasi, could see Kufudia. A ban, I say, obey Panama. Message say, ya, and Yakupa Adam, tipper for a mamma queen. Message, but say, if you go for the back, come here. 4 tools in your day, a hard drink. So Yakupa be a crying, abandon is I do say, obey a choir, my dear. So the Ninia penny Kufu, you free of anything. I'm going to see one more a bedroom at Pediasino. Can I go for the soul at Trasso? Ever see Kufodia? Everyone is a my day. Aman. The son who need your counsel. Send your Wakano, all more than many will see anywhere. And share on us and young. Afe near a duo view. Now say, and near my bono a high to year. Ashantia for tie oil in near dinner. I feel a yaji and some the best bano. So, on one to an issue home. And why Kakra? Say the bear answer so when you could draw, maybe BSA and with me. Because the Apacia, you know, you're doing one quite a year and as I up my way. You will say, I am a fat. Until Abano way. It's also to Miss Oye. Na a phone or motor oil in me tie any home corner bano. Also, ehun say enya Ghana for say ya chi e ho wi a enkosi hwe emwa obia me nya pani commander ka say me mani age if you say the galamsi ase o manya ne nipa wu tutomre mu wu modwuma enso the same nkotutu anwea no a mesrem chairman ono omrante no ne mpanifo ne nkasa e be bia obetua amra no atwe ayina fi ho no omo bani kata so se de menua pani no kai no se be ya o kire bi no ebesa atumi ayede abana de dam bio ne asan yakotu ne tu amani ku ho no na busuafo no wuwu a moko a papa mabo ti mo hye no so ansomai mi de me mama se mo enko kiri bebre mo ye se mo be mabasha mrasi mo hye dem bodi mrasa maye se obi firi be fi se adoso ba aya mo dem ka no load no so enti entumi enko se de ese ko no bo hye na wa ye kenten okwanu e bia ka no be do konkran se be ya obenye kwan afa ne ho kura ko no na ya asem mo da miro so ho nyame adom na hu zo oba na se kwan da ho a obi kwan kama no na nyanso afa ho no ere na okọ na masumdua aba ndi se de won ba ye ma hyam na ase ndi mo bibia nya wano wano maye na sumdua nye de emra okwanu Gprtu ye towing service bi and the penifo no minimum wa ya hia wie ebetum sa afremo mobile office a minimum transfer ka ho ase nyina na mo betum nyano ma no aye ewrani hyam bebre amen
da nyame ase bebre chama otego district commander any police who are shemu haina asana regional and branch executive Gprtu ye nuanu ma wo fi Akuapem raba ani abusia ye shemu haina me obia good afternoon ye tell me say the Najumandino ayesu na Najumandino so aye bibia senia before the car historic in the sense most of the time you tipper truck drivers and now say owners say work can ho na service everyone to me asusu kwan a fast for business no ebe koso ye enti ni amaye no ya de aso ni ye pa ya kan Bible Genesis chapter 11 kasafa time ana woye wan is already the Tower of Babel na edru baby no krofo ye wan adwen se wo besi akosu akodru baby anyakopon wo and erade hwe na unity ana wo won tem they are too strong to the extent says ono akasa stop here ya dey a obetumi aye is answer na wan adwen na eyewa nti according to the Bible no say erade ka say mama yenko down yenko sisa won kasa. And that is what disunity and as a confusion. And when that happened, you know, I went to me and see about Shona and our person will see. The person making and say unity is key. The Biari Biano say or any Biakuye anymore. And it only say when a house is divided against itself, it shall never stand. Say fear no and come boom na say when you or fear no begu. And we bibia hu hia say kroye ebeba yentem se kroye ebeba yentem a ade bako a misre eye respect for each other executives no serve mobile executives are members no dey elect him and we respect the members no smooth to me ama executives no and we must move and farmer o efe mo ye ne say wi a mo ho no so bia ndi no kware ma ne yonko. And that will let the group stand. No parity eye bibia esiu boni nyina anokwan. Se obi eye boni na se obi sa no ka no pa ochewa. Me hu nya wo de be ye ni pie. Because all that you want to know has been told you. So it ends it there. The best moment no parity embra intem. And paying for the car casa be brave. Now, making na commander can say me here or tap my dream. Now, making na commander can. The American can is a Yamamu Trinkwa. The senior coupon say, all my group ye, and now say, chapter year, Mati, engineer. Now, any so they in my other people so that Obia so be to me a can one book. service every year were artisans be brave so around. From Nyamaye, once we to me, Akawan, bakers, be to me at association, seamstress, carpenters, undertakers, all of them, because you hear say you been identifiable groups, so that at least we can communicate and have a very good relationship. Chairman Eric Asanoka road no one sem. If he agree adequacy for and it is true. On my penny. Etrim pony say ye be yes akwan no nyina afoforo ye friend no legacy road na na say ye wo hu bia we have done it all documentations here be bia and I will be on friend social and environmental impact assessment and also consultant number am I yaye ni nyina wie isi an every train say ye dey aso be bofem then the road will start enti mi jana se me ma Arishima, I want to say, Enchebiano will see some signs, even in Century, say, road no is being constructed. They say, we have already done that. And Yakasa Alpha, Kwaya Mobile Faswa, Seve, more transport known as Nyoma Enkoye problem, Emma Afufro. Now, when you say once you have executives, no, Yan Mubeshia from time to time. Now, they say, you can be a Tumiaka. Baby, I'm a bay a lorry park, and I say a lorry park, you know. And yet, there are other vehicles who also come. Mr. Mume Meji Ham Boswa to say Muma will be our crime man in Maha. No, and I know you are not going to do that. The best say money won't have to down in a year. A be my stores, a be muto back in the Wahay, feet are full mochi. Into your best build that cooperation amongst everyone will be all habia. Muni obi antene yi ne sam na afoforo so ebetumi de won abom before the formation of this group no BBC so important say BBC house then na SC before na then na Ericoso na then na ABC. If you know where you are coming from, then you can project into the future. Intinya mo drivers they hear mo anya mo die no nti maka mo ho abom no drivers are money mo be ye adwuma so senior chairman di kan mo men ye won sa mo treat you ye obi say oma okom de oyire a o kire no nyoma bie aguamambo ene kro no na se wo hwe ni ye dia ono so be di no kware ama je se okura ni suban pon fini na yem ente sa dia o hwe ni ya ono so be di no kware ama. So when you treat your drivers well, they also treat you well. This is bia or ye nipa bone de dawo. And it made me carry once again. Once you have been sworn in, as the government's representative, I declare that the Mamfe chapter of the Gprtu has come to stay. It has come to stay, and it has been duly commissioned. Thank you. From media men, Mababa boy, and I yet to be a commission, a Gprtu branch, a Akuapem branch of tipper truck operators. In fact, Bibiana ye pay say Wobeka Wabo. It's answer a Benny Donia, road management. I thought that the weight of their vehicle no any impact, negative impact on the road. It is a way association yet to me guide one. Eboa won church won kwan e be fa so a wo be maintain ye road no eno achi ba bia wo tu anwea no ye nyina ye nim say sun winning ye nneoma bia aban no kasetia, especially if it is illegal and now say emra emfamra kwan so a eno ti ye nya won together say ni betumi a church won ena eno achi so ehu hia bebre say wo be ye association say be ya say won so wo pdb say yeska ana guidance be there free aban mu a once ebetumi aka in the program no dey very very historic and e be so amani ejehu pa as the municipal chief executive, you know, I can boldly say to bring all these people together no is no mean achievement. Is that say enye easy say obenya wo nyina sa but at least yenya dodo na ma ene wetumi aka wo mabo ye hye wo nkran say ne awobe ye bia no so betumi atwe afofo ye hia say ekuaku bebre ebe anase nipa don bebre be keka won wabom as groups anase associations eno no sa no ema ngwa bie be fi aban mu no etumi ko won ho directly kyɛn sɛ wɔyɛ individuals because individuals no de ayɛ awɔreboa wɔn a ɛyɛ na very very difficult nti ɛnɛ program no deɛ I can say sɛ ɛyɛ biribi a m'ani agye ho yie paa. Deɛ te ne sɛ tipper truck operators no deɛ mi dɛ wɔ ha ne sɛ ohun sɛ owners ni nyinaa yɛ nkorɔfo they are very enlightened wɔyɛ nkorɔfo a wɔnim de I know most of them almost about 90% of them na wɔyɛ nkorɔfo bi a wɔnim nea wɔyɛ ɛno ti efutu kakra mi de bɛ ma wɔn ne sɛ they should speak with their drivers one drivers ne nkasa police officer no di kan se ɛho behia sɛ wɔbɛnya net anaasɛ canopy bi a wɔde bɛkata anwea anaasɛ abo a wɔbɛkɔ akɔtu no so ɛsan sɛ ɛnyɛ wɔn kwan na yusu kwan no ebi ana obi nso retwam ebi ana ɔbo bi afi ɔka nim na akɔbɔ ne glass anaasɛ pira no nti sɛ wɔkata so a ɛbɛboa yɛn ɛno akyi akyerɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn ma wɔn drivers ne nyinaa enya license yɛwɔ license B yɛwɔ license C ne yɛwɔ license deɛ ɛkeka ka ho nyinaa ɛsɛ wɔhwɛ the weight of the vehicle na wɔde nya ɛso corresponding license nti wɔn hwɛ wɔn drivers no license yie ɛno akyi wɔn akatua mu yɛka sɛ wɔn bɔ mmɔden ama wɔn ani nkɔ drivers no wɔn bie snit ɛmfa ma wɔn sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔn nso wɔn daakye sɛ wɔgyae adwuma no yɛ a wɔn nso wɔbɛnya biribi kakra ɛde ato nsu bi anom ɛne nyinaa akyi no nso yɛsrɛ wɔn sɛ ebi a bere a wɔde bɛtu car no nso ɛyɛ very very important ɛtɔ da day time no ebi a na wɔbɛn sɛ ɛka bi di wɔn akyi ɛsɛ wɔn ma wɔn kwan ne ade ɛne saa nneɛma no nyinaa ɛsɛ wɔhwɛ nti yɛwɔ gua kɛse ɛwɔ adɔso ɛhɔ nso na drivers no anaasɛ tipper trucks no ɛfa yɛn ni wɔn gu so renegotiate sɛ ebi a market day no yɛbɛma wɔn alternative routes sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔn how market users no ne nyinaa yɛ some of the nneɛma a yɛde regu akwan mu na yɛn ni wɔn ahyia after ɛnɛ na yɛ commission wɔn no na yɛn ni wɔn atumi adi nsawɔnso yie paa efutu a mɛde bɛma wɔn bio ɛnso ɛne car no maintenance ɛsan sɛ car no nye n'esi kwan so a ebetumi akum nipa nti wɔn ma wɔn ani nkɔ car ne ho ne ties ne clutches ne brakes wɔn ma wɔn ani nkɔ cars ne ho sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛnfa nsunsuanso bɔnne biara ɛnfa mba Akuapem mu ha mɛda wɔn ase bebree.
Okay, maybe can add them as me say Gprtu Engineer Chairman Pastor Johnson Che. Me say ene yɛ da kɛseɛ ma Akuapem tipper truck operators. Ene Nyankopɔn adom wɔn abɛka Gprtu ho ama ene Inauguration wɔn ama wɔn charter. Na wɔn abɛyɛ Gprtu fo. Emu mu asɛm baako na ere etu wɔn anim ne sɛ ene hwɛ de galamsey yɛsi asɛ ɔman no a wɔn nso ɔdwuma no the same thing. Wɔn kotu anwea no na wɔn no gya hɔ no deɛ tu wɔn fo sɛ efi ne kɔ die deɛ no mɛn deda no wɔn twam na efi wɔn tu ebi wɔn kotu anwea bia no wɔn sɛ wɔn kasa so fɛɛfɛ na ɔne kuroma no sɛ ɔbɛtu amenya no ɔno ɔnyɛ baako na wɔn aso bie ɛmɛ wɔn twam because ɛnɛ no ɔbɛka yɛn ho yi wɔn bibi na enya ɛde mmerɛ no bɛdi wɔn nti wɔn nso wɔn sɛ wɔn bɛte aseɛ wɔn nso wɔn aboa ibi ayɛ fa ibi so obi obi deɛ mi wɔ ha na mi ka yɛ kwan ya akwan na ehia mi. Sinya mbɛboa ne fipadua ase kosi offense kofo sɛ da ba na ka no obi di so ayama yi e bibia ya so biam no na mehwɛ sɛ no bra me kasa me ka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ tipa car no de ayi car na so ɛna load no ya so nti wɔn tumi nkɔ sɛ de ɛso wɔn kɔ no de wɔn hu sɛ car bi di n'akyi ne ban sɛ kwan da hɔ a wɔn ma kwan na wɔn nya kwan ko na ma so biam la kwan so na kosa bibia ya kama na me
okay pass one asem say pass
look in fact wa de mu nya ya Uganda ha ama Gprtu de ne ma say and want say to the meet because and net tie and can be 200 300 no and 700 and the battery won't mean to just a lubricancy why you need na control is the ma pressure but cage man so and the best ban say I want to need to call them on from why as I dem 2 years be your better me na so job o man yen na esero most of them say some of my baby bia me bia so bi e wadi show me bi